Good morning guys, and in front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So at first open the settings, then find and select system, not system update but apps over here, and enroll manage apps. Here select more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and select reset app preferences. And now if you truly want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, or any other permission restrictions, just mark reset. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.